This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to define name for a range of data and manage it in Excel. By using names, you can make your formulas much easier to understand and maintain. You can define a name for a cell range, function, constant, or table. Once you adopt the practice of using names in your workbook, you can easily update, audit, and manage these names. To create a name by using the Define Name option on the Formula tab, in the Define Names group, click the Define Name button. In the name box, type the range name. In the Scope drop-down, set the name as Scope. In the Refers to box, check the reference and correct it if needed. Click OK to save the changes and close the dialog box. If your data is arranged in a tabular form, you can quickly create names for each column or row based on their labels. For example, I want to set a name for B series, and I check top row box to define the top row in the B series as name. Use the Name Manager dialog box to work with all the defined names and table names in a workbook. For example, you may want to find names with errors, confirm the value and reference of a name, view or edit descriptive comments, or determine the scope. You can also sort and fill the list of names and easily add, change, or delete names from one location. As an example, I want to add a column that is resulted by A and B series multiplication. For this purpose, I use their names to add ranges. Also, you can use define name as formula. For deleting names that you added, you can use Name Manager to delete all of them. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.